Product description and features. The JL-208 shorting cap is an essential component designed to protect and maintain the functionality of outdoor lighting systems. It is specifically used to replace a photocell when light control is not required or to ensure continuous operation of the lighting fixture. The JL-208 shorting cap effectively creates a reliable electrical connection, ensuring the lighting system remains operational even in the absence of a photocell. This durable cap is designed to be weather-resistant, offering protection against water and dust, making it suitable for a wide range of outdoor environments and lighting applications. Installation instructions. Power off. Before installation, ensure that the power is completely turned off to maintain safety during the process. Remove the photocell. If a photocell is currently installed, carefully remove it to prepare for the shorting cap installation. Attach the shorting cap. Insert the JL-208 shorting cap into the photocell socket. Align the pins correctly and twist the cap securely until it locks into place. Power on. Restore power and verify that the lighting system is functioning continuously, confirming that the shorting cap has successfully established the necessary electrical connection. With these simple steps, the JL-208 shorting cap can quickly and efficiently replace a photocell, ensuring consistent operation of your outdoor lighting system in specific scenarios.